It's just sugar.
There's a security robot. That's fun. I don't know. Hey fellow explorers, my name is Chris, aka TDRExplorer, and I help you plan the perfect trip to Asia and its theme parks. It's been 20 years since Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone released into theaters. Tonight, we're in front of Tokyo Station in the Marunouchi area where we're going to check out the Harry Potter Illuminations. And then afterwards, we're going to get ourselves a cup of coffee, or a latte I should say, from Tully's because they also have a Harry Potter latte, which I am really excited to try out. So, that's enough talking. Let's go. All right, we're going to check out the tree in here. This looks like fun. All right, let's go inside. Let's check it out. Here's the tree of Hogwarts magic, and it says to set your phone 24 frames, 4K. That's fun. There's a shop over here, but we missed it. That's okay. There's a security robot. And here's a map showing all the different trees. So we have the Tree of Hogwarts Magic, Tree of Hogwarts Letters, Tree of Fantastic Beasts, Tree of Owl Post. And we have the times here. So most of these are going until 11 or 12. And everything corresponds to a lovely map. That is not in English, but don't worry, that's what I'm here for. So here is the JR station, Tokyo Station, and we're right here right now. This is the Marui building. So this is 6, which is the Tree of Hogwarts Magic, which we just did. And then just over here is 5, which is the Tree of Hogwarts Letters, which we're going to be doing. And then over here, this is the Shin Marunouchi building, which is where? It's one of these. The Wizarding World Gallery. I don't know if we'll do that, if we'll get to that. But then we have number 9, which is Fantastic Beasts up here. And then we have number 10, which is this one, Tree of Owl Post. So just to give you a point of reference of where everything is. And these other ones over here are just other things which we're not going to be doing. It's mainly like shopping and stuff, which, no, we're not here for that. We're here for the trees. We're going to walk through Tokyo Station, which is gorgeous by the way, and we're going to head to Tully's because they have the special Harry Potter latte, which I want to try. So let's head on over. We're heading down to Tully's. There's a Starbucks, but we're not going to Starbucks today. No, we are not. Not Harry Potter themed, but I will take it. But we're going to go get some coffee. It's almost 10 o'clock, and we're having coffee because I love you explorers that much. I got the treacle latte from Tully's. I had to look up how to pronounce the word. I don't know if I am pronouncing it right, so forgive me. I just learned it today, okay? But apparently treacle tart, not apparently, treacle tart is Harry Potter's favorite dessert. I should have remembered that, but I didn't. I read the books a very long time ago when I was a child, so forgive me. But they have a treacle latte. I'm saying this way too much. But there's whipped cream on here, and there's the treacle syrup and everything. as well. You can see that there. It looks very sweet, and it also comes with a little Harry Potter cookie. And I love the sleeve on it. The sleeve on it's really cute. They had a souvenir one that you can buy, but they were sold out, so I couldn't get it, unfortunately. But we're gonna try this out. It smells very, very sweet. That is sugar. That is sugar. That's, yep. It's just sugar and coffee. Some of that whipped cream and the syrup on this cookie. It's a butter cookie. It's not bad. It just tastes like sugar. It's all milk and sugar and coffee. That's all I got. All right. We're here in the Tokyo Torch Terrace, and we got the Tree of Owl Post, which looks like it's, what, 3 stories tall? This is nice. There's nobody here. There is major construction going on over there, so that's what the beeping is for. But hey. Oh, there's music. Okay, good. Aww. That's fun. I love that. I love everything, apparently. I love that Japan does stuff like this. I don't know, it just makes going out fun and exciting. Amongst all these buildings, too. Yeah, we're here. Right by Tokyo Station. And yeah, I didn't mention before, this stuff is free. Just come check it out. So if you're in Tokyo area, come get your Harry Potter on. Here's the Shin Marunouchi building, where the gallery is. Head inside and check that out. I don't know where it is. We will find it. I hope. Wish me luck. Here they have more food. That looks really adorable. Most of this is going to be closed, I bet. Oh. I'm bad at planning, haven't you noticed? But the gallery is on the 3rd floor, so that's where we're going to go. Here's the gallery. And it's going through all the films. That is cool. Oh, this is bringing back so many memories, just seeing the years. 2004 is actually when I moved back to Canada from Japan, because I was actually an exchange student in 2003. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. There's no English here, but if you're a Harry Potter fan, you should know the films. I remember going to the midnight screening of Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, both parts 1 and 2. I remember doing that. What's this? Ah, celebrating 20 years. Oh! It's going to be in IMAX. Countrywide IMAX for 2 weeks. Oh, cool. I'm going to do that. I am going to do that. The 19th, going from November 19th until December 2nd. Okay, I want to do that. Okay, I see. Huh. And then it's showing again. These are just regular showings of the other Harry Potter films and the dates. Okay, that's fun. Oh. I saw this advertised. That's intense. The 4K Ultra HD. Oh, look at that price tag. That's like $600. It's only 1,000 of them? If I read that correctly. Oh, some of it's airing on television and Hulu. Oh, Hulu's going to have the entire film series. This is Japan, by the way. I don't know about other countries, so just keep that in mind. I don't know how it's going to work in the other countries. And then we have Fantastic Beasts. This is really cool, actually. Fantastic Beasts, The Secrets of Dumbledore. Oh yeah, so we have the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Tokyo coming next year? No, 2023. Spring 2023. It's opening. I'm looking forward to that. I've done the studio tour in London. I did that back in 2012. Book covers. The History of Magic. Okay, I really like this exhibit. This is fun. It's also quiet. There's nobody else here. I'm loving it. Oh, that is neat. What is this? Oh, the stamp rally, which we're not doing. Oh, cool. Harry Potter, Master of the Magic. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. Oh yes, it's coming here to Japan. July 8th, 2022. I actually saw this in Melbourne. That's where I got my shirt. I got to see it in Melbourne when I was there in 2019. Free posters. Yes. Okay, this is mine. If you watch my merchandise videos, you know about these free posters that are everywhere, like little mini posters. You can just take them. Lovely. Okay, let's do a panel of this whole place. There's nobody else here. There's nobody else here. So pro tip, come late at night. There'll be nobody here. And here is the tree of Hogwarts letters. Oh, it's nice and quaint. It's quiet here too. It's very pretty. You can see all the letters. Mr. H. Potter. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, it's all of Harry's letters, right? It's very chill. I like how simple this is. Next, we're going to the Marunouchi Oazo. I don't know. All right, let's go inside. There is a stamp rally, which we're not going to be doing. I'm not a big fan of stamp rallies, if I'm being completely honest. Just instructions on stuff. That's fun. So we got some fantastic beasts. And here's the tree of fantastic beasts. Right here. Oh, that's cool. Book. We have books floating up there too. It's actually very pretty. Let's walk around. It's very peaceful. It's about 10 o'clock at night, so there's almost nobody around. That's very well done. I feel like I have to talk very quietly. Which of these displays was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below with the keyword Harry, just so I know that you watched all the way to the end. This is wonderful. I love it. It's so peaceful. There's nobody here. There's nobody here right now. It's like 10 o'clock at night and there's nobody here. It's great. I'm just gonna sit here and just enjoy the music. All right, explorers, happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next video.